It's time. Let's go.
What's it time for?
It's time to pick up one of Japan's most iconic, would you call it a supercar?
I would.
We just pulled up to our client Ron's house and we're picking up his LFA. Oh, I can't wait to see this car.
Yeah. There's his daily.
He's a Lexus guy. Pretty cool. He's got, I think that has a Supra swap in it, if I believe. It's in works, it's in project stage, but I'm pretty excited to get his LFA back to the shop and get some paint protection on it. We gotta thank our boy Dave over at Ken Dig for letting us borrow his car hauler. His house? Yeah. Dude, it's in Rose Park.
Rose Park.
It's I thought I was gonna get shot at in this neighborhood.
And then he pulls this out of the garage.
Yeah.
Or
he doesn't.
Trailer.
He just is a car enthusiast. He doesn't need an expensive bougie house. He's got.
I'd rather be car broke and have a small house.
I mean, that's what I love about Rod. He's got it figured out.
Yeah.
He's got.
Show him the keys.
Huh? Oh my god.
Oh my god, hey.
Hey, check this out. This is to my 1992 Lexus. Oh my god, you're kidding me. That's actually the key.
At least you have the button.
Yeah,
this one's probably the sport key.
Oh, this definitely used the sport key.
It's gonna be pretty tough. Somehow I gotta figure out how to get all the way into this bank right here. That's gonna be fun. Other than that, it looks pretty straightforward. Side skirt's gonna be tough. That corner's gonna be pretty tough. Other than that, it's pretty easy. I already got this mirror on. This mirror was looking like it'd be pretty hard, but it went really well. I was able to get full coverage all the way down to our edges.
A few moments later.
I thought it was going to be a test piece, so I was just going to give it a little try, see if I can get it to work, but it turned out really well, so I think I'm going to leave this bad boy. I was able to get right up around this corner real nice. I thought that was going to be a lot more difficult than it was, and then we got quite a ways back in here, so I don't really see a reason to pull it off. Do it, and then we're going to lay our main piece, bring a seam in here to where you can't see it, and then right around this bank where you're not going to notice it much. Just look at it.
Just finished up doing a full body gloss paint protection. It's got a couple more final touches to do on it.
Then we're gonna move into doing some window tint and exo shield on the windshield for protection. Window tint's gonna help with UV, it's gonna help with the interior with the leather, keeping everything nice, because this car only has 300 miles on it, if you can believe that, being 10 years old. After we're all finished up here, it's gonna move over to detail. It's gonna get interior coatings to help, again, protect that beautiful leather. Also exterior flex coating on the paint protection, just to help with longevity and life of that.
So if you saw in a previous video, we just did this camo wrap on the Tesla Model 3, and then we also did the carbon Vorsteiner kit. It just came back so that we could put these gold Vossens on it. So what we're doing here is we're using a clay bar. You can see right here already. What this is just adhesive. We just removed the wrap off of this 911. And clay bar does a good job of removing whatever adhesive is left over from the previous vinyl. But also, normally what we use a clay bar for is things like fallout, which is like brake dust or any kind of metal thing like that. It can settle into the paint and it'll actually rust into the clear coat. It can give the paint like a rough feel, so you can clay it, and then that removes all of that contaminant in the paint. And it just gets a better adhesive bond, and you're not going to see any imperfections in the paint. Alright, so we just finished up our black green KPMF vinyl wrap on this 911 Turbo. Like we were talking about earlier, you can see now in the sun that we got the head on, you get more of the green. And then on the flop from the side, it looks more like a satin black wrap, which is going to be really cool. It'll look a lot different at night. We put just some 911 wheels we had laying around to roll it out here so you guys could see it. And we got our Vossens that are getting refinished. And you'll see that color soon. So stay tuned, guys.